It's time for unboxing. No doggy, it's time for magical unboxing from Magix Buttons. Let's go. Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. Welcome back to the YouTube channel. So in today's video we are going to talk about this PlayComputer Retro 180 game. Yes, we having games inside this PlayComputer. Very curious what kind of games are we going to get. I got a slot so we can play original games, so we're going to test that out too. I don't know if somebody of you have seen this model before, but I don't know it. So this box or this system came in thanks to Magix Buttons. They sent me this just to check it out, to review it here on the channel, and when I'm done I'm going to just send it back. Alright, nothing much to say, nothing much to show in the box. It's empty, so let's grab the system itself. Because the system is here. Abracadabra. Alright, so let's take a close look at the system itself. What are we going to get? They sent me this and there was no cable and no power supply because I needed to test this out for them. Yeah, why not just make a review and test it out. It comes with two controllers. I really like this Famicom design that is putting the controllers here at the side. I really like it. So let's see, what are we going to get. The D-pad is very unique. As you can see, you don't see this very often nowadays. It's very big, so if you have huge hands like me, or big hands, huge hands, big hands, I can tell this feels quite comfortable. Not bad at all. Alright, so we have two controllers. The system itself. Here says PlayComputer Retro. Start. Start. On and off. Reset. It's going very well today. We have in here the cartridge slot. Get my fingers out. Two normal connectors, so we can use our original controls if we want to. Input for power. Output for AV out, no HDMI, it's basic. One for signal, for the screen or the display, and one for the audio. Let's see what we can find on the bottom. Ooh, look at this. Is it a production date? This means that this thing is produced in 2017. People, it's a lie. There is nothing retro about it. Yes, I play retro games, but it isn't retro. It's basically still a lot of years old, but you get the point. Alright, let's test it out. Let's power it on. Very curious what we're going to get. Let's test the controller. It even can be used for playing because some of them just look good and they play freaking horrible. I like this design, people. I like this design. It's so cute. Alright, let's go. Alright, so there are actually 180 games on this thing. I see some familiar games. Have a look at previous reviews. We're just going to play some games. Let's see what are we going to get. Sky Zone. Oh yeah. I have really no clue what's the point of this game. I cannot shoot, I cannot jump on the guy. I have really no clue. Final Fighter. Oh, I've seen this before. Yeah. I must say they are very creative with the names. Corsair. What? Oh, more like a strategy game or something like this? What the hell? Super Monica or whatever? Oh, this game, I remember it. Collect the stones, don't get killed. You know the drill. I've really no clue why I can't grab these. Oh, now I can. Oh. Starfighter! Yeah! So the system is filled up with these weird homebrew games. Or I can just play original games through the cartridge slot. I must say the controls are not bad at all. Okay, let's test out this game. Let's see how good the movement of the D-pad is. Not bad at all. The buttons can be better. Position is not the best, but the D-pad feels quite good. Alright, let's try another game. Alright, so for the final conclusion about this PlayComputer Retro. So all of these bootleg systems, but there are some good ones. I must say I'm very surprised about the controls if you play with them. The D-pad, the positions of the buttons, they're not the best, but the D-pad is perfect. It plays very nice. So I really like the Famicom style of it, that you can put them at the side of the console. It plays the Famicom games just fine, so really cool. This is what you're going to get. Let me know what do you think of this. Would you even consider buying something like this? And if you're interested in a product like this, don't forget to check out the Magix Buttons website. They have a lot of these awesome products. But I thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell for more awesome content. And if you like gaming, don't forget to check out the Wicked Gaming channel. See you next time. Bye bye.